We just went out to BJ's, and I've got a little list here I'm going to go over. There's a lot of clubs out there. There's Costco and Sam's and a couple of other ones, but BJ's is just the closest one to us, so we end up going there a lot. And I'm just going to go down the list and tell you what we saved just this week, and then we'll see if the cost of the membership is worth it. Now, BJ's right now, their memberships I think are about $55 for a year. All right, start off with, we use a lot of heavy cream, and we paid $4.99 at Publix. It's $6.29 for a quart, so we saved $1.30 with that. Almond Breeze, a 3-quart container, $4.59 at BJ's. At Publix, it was $5.49, so we saved 90 cents on each one of those. Got 2 pounds of wild caught salmon, $21.99. Up at Publix, it was $13.29 for 12 ounces, and that was $35.44, so we saved $13.45. Now that one might be a couple dollars higher. That was the price off Instacart. I couldn't find it in the store, one that was the same as that, so it might be a little cheaper. Soft soap, we got 2 50-ounce bottles at BJ's for $9.49, and at Publix, each one was $6.99, so it comes out to $13.98 for 2 of them, and we save $4.49 on soft soap. Spanakopita, I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's a little spinach pastry. We love those. 29-ounce package at BJ's was $13.99, and the closest thing I found at Publix was $5.99 for 8.5-ounce package, which comes out to $20.44, so we saved $6.45 on that. We got whole button mushrooms, $3.39 for 20 ounces, and at Publix it was on sale, 2 for $4 to $2 for 8 ounces, which comes out to about $5. So we'll use a sale price there, but it's usually costs a little bit more at Publix. But even so, we still saved $1.61. We got 32 ounces of breakfast sausage. This was the turkey sausage, $12.98 at BJ's. At Publix, an 8-ounce box was $4.69, so that comes out to $18.76, and we saved $5.78 on that. Hot tea Earl Grey. This is Twinings Earl Grey at BJ's. It was $11.99 for a 100-count box. Now up at Publix, you can get a 20-count box for $3.79, so times 5 is $18.95, and we saved $6.96. Kashi cinnamon wheat, $6.89 for a 31-ounce box, and at Publix they had a 14-ounce box for $5.39, which would come out to $11.94 for the same 31 ounces. So we saved $5.05. Coconut shrimp, we like this. It was $12.99 for a 2-pound box of coconut shrimp, BJ's. At Publix, a 16-ounce box is $9.99, comes out to $18.08. So we saved $5.09 on a coconut shrimp. Got a couple more here. A bag of sweet kale was $3.49 at BJ's, $4.99 at Publix, saved $1.50. Maple syrup, a quart of maple syrup, $12.29, and I actually had a coupon for $1.50, so it came out to $10.79, but I'm going to use the $12.29 because you don't have a coupon every week. And at Publix, it was $21.59 was the Instacart, so I'm going to knock a couple bucks off there because they always inflate the price. I think it's about $18.59. So we saved about $6.30 on a quart of maple syrup. And this one, not everyone gets this, but my wife uses it. It's called collagen peptides, and she puts that in our smoothies and that. And it's basically a supplement. And she gets a 24-ounce box at BJ's for $31.99. At Publix, a 10-ounce box was $26.89, which would come out to $64.80 for a 24-ounce package. So that right there saved us $32.81. So all in all, total, what we bought there came out to $151.06. And if you would have got it at Publix, the same stuff would have been $242.75 for a grand total savings of $91.69. So that was just 1 week. We saved $91. The membership cost $55, so we've saved that. And even if we knocked off the collagen peptides, which we don't get that every week, you don't get a big savings like that every week. That was $32. That still came out to $59. So even without that big savings, we still save $59 just that 1 week. So that basically pays for it. So the rest of the year is a bonus, all of your savings. Now, I didn't even mention they sell some stuff like rotisserie chicken, and Costco does this too. They sell an entire chicken cooked, ready to go for $4.99. Up at Publix Deli, I think it's $7.99 or $8.99. So you're saving $3 or $4 for each one. So even if you only ate one rotisserie chicken a week, within 3 or 4 months, you've paid for your membership with just the chicken, not counting everything else that you get in the store. Another thing is, like we got the maple syrup, we had a $1.50 coupon. That was the only coupon that I had this week. Sometimes I have 5, 6, 7 coupons, and you save like 10 or 20 bucks on top of that savings too. So yeah, you can save a whole lot of money at it. We love it. If you can afford to go buy in bulk, you know, you save a lot of money. It's just like when we're buying our seeds in bulk. When you get microgreen seeds, you're going to get a lot better price than if you go up to the store and just try to buy a bunch of little packets. Same concept here. So I hope that helped if you guys are like considering getting a membership or anything and thinking if it's worth it or not. And if we do another haul, if y'all want to see, you know, how much we save, just let me know. I'll make another video. All right, keep on growing.